Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up buying Bitcoin easily. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and start buying Bitcoin on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, but don't want to have to actually manually purchase it every month. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, but let's go ahead and get started. Now the app that we're going to be using in order to actually buy Bitcoin easily is this app called Coinbase. So Coinbase, as you can see, is this blue and white app, and if you haven't signed up for it just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $20 when you do sign up. So once you have Coinbase installed, go ahead and click on it, and then your homepage is going to look like this right here. So from this page here, you want to go and click on the buy and sell button on the bottom left hand side, and then click on buy crypto with cash. So on this page here, you're going to select the asset to buy. So you see USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So for our example, we're just going to select Bitcoin. And now this is a really important step, guys. You want to insert the amount of Bitcoin that you want to actually buy. So we'll just set up $20. And on the upper right hand side, you're going to see this toggle button that says one-time order. So if we click on that, you're going to see different order types. You see one-time order, you see limit order, and recurring buy. So we're going to click on recurring buy. And then you can choose the frequency on this page. So if you want to buy Bitcoin daily, select daily. If you want to buy Bitcoin weekly, select weekly. And if you want to buy Bitcoin twice a month, select the 1st and 15th every month. And then if you want to buy Bitcoin monthly, simply just select monthly. So this right here, we're just going to select monthly. And as you can see, we're just going to click on review order next. Now on this page is basically your final confirmation page that says we're buying Bitcoin at a price of $79,000 and this is going to recur every month. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy Bitcoin easily. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.